Here we are. Chris, that's Chris. Chris has had a fish there. That must be close to 3 pound. Magic. Fucking magic. Let me see. Oh, yes, yes, Kenny. Look. Oh, Kenny, look, it's taking line. It's on video. What are you doing, Kenny? Morning, everybody. Another wild fishing adventure. Here's Kenny. Those was tying books to get in the water. Just as we were getting the rod set up there, I broke my chest mount. So I don't know how good a video we're going to manage today. It'll need to be just wee snippets here and there because I can't get I've no chest mount. Kenny done the exact same thing. He's doing his chest mount as well. Your chest mount. But the forecast told us a load of lies. Didn't it, Kenny? Eh? A wellerman's a lying bastard. But we're here and we're set up. We're going to give it a shot. JP's down yonder there as well. Nice wave. Oh, Kenny! Oh, I seen that there. Kenny just had a fish follow him in there. Oh, it's good. Kenny, get out there again, lad. That's twice it's came for the fly. Did you get the woody at that time? You might take it again. You might not if you jagged it. Don't worry, there'll be more than one there. First cast, absolutely stunning. Away you go, magic. Cheers, Kenny. Fucking rattler right under me spot. You're famous for it, yo. Go. Fish number 2, second cast. As Kenny says, jammy bastard. Away you go, my pal. Let him like right in on top of me. That bastards. I got one fish, Kenny was over. I got 2 fish in there, JP over. Let him. JP, is that a decent fish? Oh, that's alright. Well done, lad. And another on the stone goat. A better fish this time. Maybe just touching nearly 3/4 of a pound, maybe nearly. And away, pal. Can't get shot of these 2 scumbags. They're loving that muddler. A few in the muddler and a few in the stone goat. They're gorgeous, aren't they? And away. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, lad. Absolutely gorgeous. And away. Eh? Lovely tree, lad. Oh, that's fucking stunning. Look, Kenny, lad, the whole fucking stress to get under the water, lad. Look at him, lad. That can't be far off a pound, JP.
No, I'd say you're right.
Aye. Aye, I've got my weighing it, aye. Aye, that's a pound all day long, that lad. Turn that round till we get a look at it. Aye.
I can't hold him, he's going mental. It's a beautiful fish.
Aye, they're stunning looking, lad. Oh, what? Oh, that's fantastic, lad.
You see him going.
Oh, and away. Well done, lad. Well done. I tell you what, that's been a frantic half an hour. So it was just fish after fish after fish. Raging I haven't got the chest mount. It would have been. What? To be fair, you did miss a few, Kenny. JP just had a cracker there. A pound, had to give that a pound all day though. Beautiful, stunning organs on it. That's a wee. Oh, there he's on. He's on again behind me, Lord JP. I got that in video. Happy days. Oh, look, the bend in the rod, aye. There is good fish in this water. Aye, if I had hit the chest mount, you would have seen some awesome ticks coming up and smashing the muddlers right off the top of the water. Just as they're landing in the water, just smash. Oh, that's giving you a. Is that on the muddler again, JP? Aye, it's on your dropper. Hey! Oh, JP, that's giving you a bit of a run around, lad. Aye. Just strong. Aye, there's strong fish on here, lad. Aye, that's lovely. Aye, magic, lad. Boom! Fucking boom! Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Another cracking fish, lad. Well done. Wow, that's gorgeous, hey. Stunning. Well done. And away. Proper wild mountain trout. Stunningly beautiful. Let's get you back in the water, boy. And away. That's been magic. So it has. The muddlers are doing great. JP smashing fish on them. I'm getting fish on them. Brilliant. Hooray! You stuck in a snag? I seen the fish there, I seen it come out of the water. Wait out there, lad, it's got you wrapped around a snag. Hey! Aye, I seen it coming clean out of the water, lad. It stuck him in there, snag, aye. As soon as he hooked it, it came straight out of the water. There's the fucking big snag it took him into. It was a hot operation trying to get it out.
Finally got one, yep.
Aye. Nice fishing, all Kenny, well done. Well done, lad. He was panicking. You wanted to see the panic in his face. Me and JP were cameraing fish. He stormed away in his own in a huff. Oh, that's a stunner. No way.
I flicked it out. I seen it come up in slow motion. I just left it.
Slow motion?
It just struck it on it, brilliant.
Boom! Oh my days. Good shooting, lad, well done. And the bag. Strong fish, lad, right? Oh, it's putting some bend on the road. Oh, it's not snagged, has it? Easy. Oh, watch the road, lad, watch the road. Blasted right under a snag. JP straight on their snag. So straight on, they're not stupid, they know exactly where they go. So they do. They fucking broke them off, he's lost off the easy bastard. Good strong fish. But someday for the first day back in the house, it's been non-stop action. Total pain in the arse, fucking that chest mount broken. Yeah, would have got some great footage of it coming right to the top. going mental for muddlers, weren't they, JP? But just a pity I stood in that fucking chest, mate. There, JP, in. Good stuff, lad. Sure. Me and JP just came down to the bags because of how close we were hitting the fish to the top of the water. So we thought, fuck it, for the last hour we'll fish the hogs, we'll float in line. Oh, you've a hole in your net, lad. Look, the colours on there, mate. Oh, it's magic, lad. Magic. Fucking brilliant. Oh, yeah, hooray! Well, that was a fantastic day. So it was action packed. Muddlers were just devastating. I was a wee muddler pattern I devised for the very first time I went to use it, September time. It was deadly. It really was deadly. But a great day, fantastic day I had. So it was plenty more to come for the rest of the season. But listen, folks, thanks very much for watching the video. Until the next time, guys, tight lines.